Today I'm here with important and interesting concept of zero error that is related to practicals. We all know the vernier caliper apparatus that is used for internal and external diameter measurements of any kind of object, small objects, and in labs usually we have cylinder. There are two scales on vernier caliper apparatus, vernier scale and main scale. Both have some readings. So now we are going to learn that how we know that an apparatus or any device having zero error. First, we must know that how zero error occur in an apparatus. Before starting practical, you must join both scale of vernier calipers. So if the zero of vernier scale and main scale do not coincide with each other, so there must be some kind of zero error. We must resolve the zero error because we need an accurate reading. If the zero of vernier scale is before the zero of main scale, so this type of error is negative zero error. If the zero of main scale is before the zero of vernier scale, so this kind of error is positive zero error. Consider it that you have found some value of diameter of cylinder after performing practical, so you have to find out the accurate reading for that. So resolving method of positive zero error is that you just have to subtract the zero error from the final reading of diameter, and for negative zero error you just have to add up the zero error to the final reading of diameter.